toes down for me. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adjusting right in this area here. So in a second, I'll have you take a nice deep breath in all the way out.
Okay.
I'm gonna apply a little pressure and give you a push, okay? Nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time for me, all the way out. And one more time for me, all the way out. Very good. I'm gonna roll you back here, my legs are gonna go on top of yours, okay?
Yeah.
Nice deep breath in, all the way out. There. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. There we go. We'll do a little drop as well, okay? Deep breath in, all the way out. Switch you over. And one more time. All the way out. Go ahead and point your toes down for me. And good. How'd that feel?
That felt great.
Awesome. You get a good release there?
Yeah.
Awesome. And do a little pull towards me. Just resist my pull only with your hands, okay? Just relax the leg. There we go. Same thing here. Just relax the legs. There we go. So I'm gonna have you just bend the head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder for me, okay? Give you a bit of full control here. Wow, big release there. Same thing here. I'll do it to my hand. Just relax that shoulder. And drop it. Very big release. How do you feel it?
That felt great.
Just hand right behind the head. Again, just bring it all the way down. Very good. Other side, please. Very good. Yeah, we got that flexibility, huh?
Yeah.